What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's about that time. We're going for another lot walk. Welcome back to Maple Motors, guys. We're going to be doing a lot walk today. We're going to go around, point out all the new cars that we got in this week. We do this every week. You can go back and watch test drive videos, walk around videos of each individual car here. You can get financed through my website along with shipping information and see all of our inventory. So check out maplemotors.com. And we're going to start up here in the front, guys. Right up here in the front corner of my lot is a 1967 Nova. We got all the information on each car individually done throughout the YouTube channel here. So all you have to do is type in 1967 Nova Maple Motors and it'll pull up the test drive and go over everything about the car. Right next to that's a 1956 210. It's 26.9 as well. Got a 4-speed in it. Two-tone paint job. If pricing is not on the windshield, it will be located on the website. It's just, we just got the car in and it doesn't have the price on it yet. This one's a 1970 Skylark Convertible. Should be a pretty good piece. Like I said, if you want to see under the hoods or anything, you can go to my website or watch any of my individual videos of these cars. Right next to that's a 1960 Impala. It's got a 348 4-speed in it, 20,900. This one's got a beautiful color on it. It's a 1963 Impala. It's 24.9. For 32.9, 1970 Challenger Convertible. Getting some Mopar sliding up in here. Right beside that, just came in this week, 1972 Charger. I believe this one's got the 340 under the hood, 29.9. Test drive video will be up today on this one. I've already made it. Same with this one, the Terminator. 19.9, 69,000 miles. I believe this is an 03 model. 81 Corvette with T-tops, 12.9. Right beside that one. I've also got the 1969 Camaro with a built motor. I believe it was a built 350. That one's 26.9. For 19.9, I got a 4-speed 71 Camaro. For 20,900. Got another Camaro sitting here. I believe this one was a 70 model. $15.9. Got a little two-tone Nova. I haven't made the video on it yet, but it'll be up soon. 1971 model. '69 model Mustang with a Boss sticker kit on it. It's a fastback, 24.9. Got a pretty cool 1954 Chevy pickup truck. I think this was a 3100, 25.9. Right next to that, we got like a panel wagon made out of a 72 C10, 14.9. All right, heading on back. '55 Cameo sitting here. We're gonna come back up after I do the truck row back here. Quite a bit new trucks in the back. I got a whole row that I haven't showed you on this side and the other side of the lot. So let's walk to the back here first and we'll make our way back up front. For $79.50, I got a 1500 Chevelle truck. It's a 1988 model. Pretty nice truck all around. 1976 International for $17.9 sitting here. That's something you don't see that often. Right beside that, 1969 F100. Got the two-tone paint job. $14.9. Right next to that for $12.9, I believe this is an 86 Suburban. It's in pretty good condition. We'll be doing test drives on it later this week as well. Try to get everything on there as soon as I can. Right beside that for $12.9, a 1984 K10. Pretty sweet little truck there. It's got a nice paint job on it. All right, well, my Chevelle's not for sale, so that one there is a no-no. I just drove it into work today. Don't call about it. Right here, got a nice little Buick for $14.9. We've also got an 06 truck back here for $69.50. More details on my website. How about the limo? Isn't that pretty cool? I'm not sure if we got that on the website yet, but I thought it was pretty cool. It's an 85 Lincoln. And something different. Old Cadillac sitting here, $11.9 on it. That's a convertible. 1969. I believe that was a Coupe Deville. The old Corvette. I don't know if they put it on the website yet, but it is going to be available. I think that was it's like a 79. The T-tops. The Rubicon is online. That's a 2007. Right next to that, we got a little C10 truck for $16.9. 65 model. And then the flatbed custom truck. For $17.9. 1970 model. Got the old Fox body Mustang, 9950, 1983 model. '66 Nova, very sleek car, front to back. They didn't put the price on the windshield yet, but I believe this one's on the website. If not, I'm in trouble because this is gonna be a hot piece. Slid you in the camera there. Old 65 Mustang. Well, two 65 Mustangs. This one's $15.9. Like I said, if the price isn't on the windshield, check my website. They just haven't came out and put them on there yet. The old Cadillac Coupe Deville, $12.9 for the wire wheels. 1972 model. Got the old Ford Falcon for $12.9 with a 4-speed. That's a 63 model. Old 427 4-speed Nova, $21.9, 68 model. The Barracuda, $12.9, 1965 model. Old Chevelle here. I believe this one's sold. If not, it'll be back on my website. A 1972 Chevelle, $24.9. This one right here is a 1977 El Camino for $10.9. How about the green 71 Chevelle, 22.9? That's a different look. Kind of digging it. Got a little 79 Corvette sitting here. And also a beautiful Trans Am. I love the wheels on this one. Goodness. That's awesome. All right, 1969 Satellite. This is a big car. I gotta back up, get this thing in the picture. And today we are updating the website, so all these cars will be on there. If they're not, well, they're probably sold. We got a 1964 Chevelle. 19.9 on that one. '64 El Camino, 14.9. Big block 4-speed, 30,967 Chevelle. It's gonna be a great piece. Really nice car. And right next to that is a 67 Chevelle for 25.9. All right, we've made it all the way around the lot. I'm gonna walk into the showroom here in a second. Majority of these cars do have test drive videos already made, so definitely check those out. When we get new inventory in, I have to make them throughout the week. I'm already ahead. I've got 4 cars, I believe, done now. I'll be uploading today. This is some personal rides next door. Everybody's driving their stuff in today. Might as well show you a little bit of it. Pop sells these cases too, so those are for Hot Wheels. He sells the fire out of them cases. They're all personal rides here, so let's walk on into the showroom now. The showroom's right next to the lot. We're still kind of working on it, getting everything buttoned up. Don't let Jeff stack no wheels up in here. We got some Corvettes and stuff. They're sitting off in the shop here. And it will rotate out. It'll change all the time with the new cars. The old 93 Cobra. I think that one was 25.9. The old Chevelle sitting in here. Customer of ours. I believe he bought it. He may have switched cars though, because we get so many things in, people get confused. And then right here, this was going to be a good test drive this week. It's a 1929 street ride. It's going to be 27.9. Good deal. All right, yeah, this is the showroom. Hopefully we get some more cars in here. We're going to try to cram about 8 cars up in there. I'm going to walk back around the lot one more time real quick. Just kind of glance through everything. Like I said, sorry, didn't have prices on all the windshields this morning. We just had a pretty busy week getting on a lot of new cars in, if you haven't noticed. We're trying to keep up with the demand, so. We'll start back up here in the corner, just kind of breeze through everything. Let you see the whole lot again. And then I'll be posting some more test drive videos this week. Like I said, after this, I make my intro for the week, put them to all the videos, and get them out there to you. You got the Nova, the 210, old Skylark, the Impala, another Impala, Challenger, and the Charger. I think this HHR is back up for sale too, if anybody's interested. It's a SS model. Or so Cobra Mustang. Corvette. 69 Camaro. 71 Camaro. 70. 71 Nova. And a 69 Fastback. Got the 54 Chevy. A C10 72. Got the 88 truck. They're international next to it. Getting some Ford trucks in finally. This old F100. Suburban, something rare we don't get in this condition. That's a pretty nice one. And an 84 K10. What's the Cadillac and the limo. Old Corvette. Jeep Wrangler. C10 truck. No flatbed. A 50 GT Mustang. And the 55 Cameo. Also got the 67 Chevelle. Well, two of them. Side by side. One's got a big block 4-speed in it. A 64 El Camino. And a 64 Chevelle. 69 Satellite. 68 Nova. The Futura. Cadillac Coupe Deville back there. Convertible Corvette. That's a 68 model. I believe I already got money on that one. No need in showing it off anymore. 65 Barracuda. 72 Chevelle. 77 El Camino. Of course, you see the holes that are on the windows. It gives people time to come up here and check their car out. 71 Chevelle sitting there. You can see the Trans Am and the Corvette. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all walking around with me. I'm gonna